I'm Georgeann Snead. I'm the President and CEO of Electronic Design and Manufacturing. We are an employee-owned electronics manufacturer, and we were founded here in Lynchburg in 1990. So I get up and come to work every day because I'm committed to our employees and our customers. I'm really proud that we produce products right here that are shipped to customers worldwide. So I feel like in a small way we are contributing to keeping American manufacturing alive. Advanced manufacturing jobs are good for our local economy, and they provide really good career options. I am a native New Englander, and I chose to move to Lynchburg because I fell in love with a Central Virginian and moved here when we got married in 1985. It's been great to see the transformation that's taken place in the past 34 years. The Office of Economic Development and Tourism, I feel like they do a really good job of recognizing that existing businesses are really important to Lynchburg, such as ours, and they really support us, and they also support entrepreneurship and are really leading a charge to make this a more vibrant community, which I feel like is important. Having employees in Lynchburg, as an employer in Lynchburg, that the work ethic and the quality of people that we have here is really amazing. I am Lynchburg.